Okay. Circles. A set of points that are all the same distance to the center. Circles do not have. Okay, so we have our circle, have our center. If you measure the distance from the center of the circle to the outside, that is called a radius. The distance from the center to the circle. And we will call it halfway in class, but it is the radius. The distance from the center of the circle, from the center to the circle, it's halfway. All right?
Giovanni Hill, come check out Giovanni Hill.
Now, if you draw a little Pokemon thing, you have a radius on this side. You have a radius on that side. So those two radii, it's like cactus, cacti. Those two radii go together to make a diameter. Diameter is a line that goes from one side of the circle to the other, and goes through the center. All right, so the two most important words, radius and diameter. The radius is halfway, the diameter is all the way across. All right, so for part of your homework, they're going to give you a picture, and they're going to ask you to find the radius and the diameter. So you're going to look at the picture, and in the picture, that's the halfway mark. That is the radius, and they told you that it is 3. And so you know if the radius is 3, and there's another radius over there that's 3, the diameter would be 6. In this picture, they gave you the halfway point. They gave you the radius is 7. The diameter would be 2 of those, so times 2, the diameter would be 14. All right, in this picture, they gave you the diameter all the way across is 12, so we're going to put that in the diameter spot, which means that halfway across is our radius, which would be half of that, or 6. All right, and this one, again, they gave us the diameter. The diameter is 100, so we're going to put it there, and our radius would be half that, which is 50. Now, in the sheet I'm going to attach is your homework. For those of y'all that are at home, you will just need to copy those down on a blank sheet of paper and then save it because we're going to be using it for tomorrow. Uh-oh.